Today we had a different kind of start to our day. Took a little detour to the beach before anything else. No rush, no schedule, just us, the water, and a bit of quiet before the chaos starts. Then it was back home. Breakfast with my son, dogs weaving around our feet, and the usual morning noise that somehow makes everything feel right.
These eggs are going to be amazing. Remember?
After breakfast, I grabbed a bit of quiet time to chip away at some editing. I'm still figuring out my flow with these videos, but I actually enjoy this part, seeing all the little pieces start to fit together. Alright, time to get into the zone and start laying this piece down. But thank you, as always, for hanging out with me. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the music.